guys? It's Mike here with Grow Indoors 365. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I know I've been gone for a while. I think it's approximately been about 3 weeks, but this is what you get in approximately 30 plus days. As I've always mentioned, to grow beautiful lettuce like this, it takes approximately 30 to 40 days. Anyways, I'm back. This is a brand new video. I wanted to bring it to you guys for Saturday morning. This way you can enjoy a little bit of what I got going on in the tent. And you know, just hear me rumble on, mumble on. But basically, if you're new to the channel, my name is Mike. I'm an indoor hydroponic gardener. I really focus on primarily on lettuce, as you can see here. We're going to go through my entire tent. We're going to talk about what we currently have, some of the new things that I'm thinking about doing, some of the new seeds that I'm about to be growing at the bottom of the reservoir. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It'll really help out the channel. Also, make sure to hit the bell. This way you receive notifications every single time I upload a video. And if you know anybody that's looking to invest in their own, you know, consumption of produce, clean produce, make sure to share this video, okay? This information is free. Not many things in life are free, especially when, you know, they're important and they're actually a lot of value in this information on learning how to grow your own food, how to sustain a small indoor grow just like this of beautiful, clean veg. Anyway, enough of this. Let's go dive right in. Check out what we got going on. Up close shots of this beautiful lettuce. All right, come along. All right, let's get into it, guys. As you can see here, we still have 3 reservoirs on top. I think it's really been approximately 30 days or so. Everything's been growing. I don't have an approximate date, but everything is looking scrumptious. Everything is looking clean, beautiful. Everything is looking just right. It's literally looking. I need to start eating this lettuce probably tomorrow, which I probably will. As you can see here, just look at this beautiful lettuce. You cannot find clean, high quality lettuce like this in the supermarket. Just look at this. You cannot find lettuce this clean in the supermarket. I have yet to buy a head of lettuce without finding some sort of living creature, dead and alive, inside of my packaging. Literally, I was about to film something actually, and I just can't even stand it. Literally, going to the supermarket, usually I find this stuff in my organic heads of lettuce, but you could probably find it in every single type of lettuce. But I mean, you have like little weird bugs literally walking around, or they're just dead, or they're still alive and they're just like stuck to the lettuce. It's absolutely disgusting. So this is exactly why you need to be focused on creating your own indoor grow. I mean, look at this. This isn't hard. Okay, this isn't rocket science. You have 3 plastic bins here. Okay, with some plastic tubing and a small little pump and a light. Let's get real here. This is the easiest thing that you could possibly do in your life. Okay, you throw a seed, you grow some roots, and you let your family eat. It's simple as that. Let's get it right. Look back at some of the archived videos that I have. I show you guys exactly what to do, how to create your reservoir, where to buy the tubing, the pump, the shelving, the lighting, exactly what you need to do, the net pods, the rock wool, everything. Everything is linked down below also. It is so simple. Look at this. I'm actually super stoked now. I cannot wait to take some of this stuff down. And I will be, because right now, literally, the way that it feels, I bet it tastes spectacular. Nothing is better than literally hydroponic farm to table vegetables. And I mean, you know, lettuce in a sense. I mean, I've grown other things. Look back at the archives that I have of different videos that I've created. I've grown everything from tomatoes to, well, actually that wasn't successful, but one of the biggest things that I did succeed in was broccoli, and that was delicious. I couldn't even grow broccoli outside this year, but I did maybe a year or 2 ago accomplish growing broccoli right down there. It was absolutely phenomenal. Now down there below, I actually had one light out on this light here, but I went ahead and fixed that, and actually it's actually just like, oh no, the 2 lights, that is weird. Alright, I don't know what is going on there, but I just realized the two lights that I actually fixed, and I believe those are the two that I fixed. Let me see. Yeah. Oh my God. Something's going on over there. I don't know what it is, but that is crazy. It was interesting. I just realized that it wasn't making the noise that it was making before, nor was it making this like weird little flickering that it was before. I changed those two lights up there, and now they're out again. That is so strange. That's really frustrating, actually. I don't know what's up with it. So that's that's exactly why it's so important to just grow your own vegetables, period. Vegetables are, especially lettuce, it's easy to consume, it's easy to grow. These are nice little heads of lettuce. Look at these little things. This is like the perfect size for a personal salad, and wow, this feels super crispy. I just bought some new dressing. One of my favorites is like this miso Japanese dressing. So I am super stoked about getting this. But yeah, that's exactly why I'm like pretty upset about that light. Even though things can still grow with two lights, but I'm thinking about just doing. I hate spending more and more money because I've already invested so much into this. Even though that, I got this Mars Hydro light right there. I'm not even using that because I'm just super not into it. I really just like the T5s. I like the way that they work. I like the way that they feel in relations to heat sensitivity. And I just like the overall balance of light, period. I might have to just pick up two more of these guys right here. These are linked down below. These are the T5s that I currently use. As you can see here, they're double bulb. I forgot the spec on them, but I've had those since the beginning of my journey into hydroponics, and I've been super happy, and they've been just amazing the entire time. So check out the links down below for them and anything else that you might need. I think that these pumps right here, the general hydroponic pumps, the last time I checked online, they actually might be out of stock. So many people started growing inside that they literally bought all these pumps out, which is bizarre. Can you imagine? I mean, literally, not somebody, but just people in general. I don't know if it's my viewers or what, but the last time I checked, which was like a few weeks ago, they were out of stock. So take a look down below and see if they still have any in stock. I mean, I got one right there, and I got another one right there. But I'm not using that one, but I will be using this one for the three across here. But I'm definitely going to be, number one, my reservoirs need water. So I'll definitely be putting in some water as soon as I get this video completed. Also, what I wanted to mention is this. A lot of you guys are asking, I haven't gotten to a lot of the comments. Well, one of my largest videos has, I think, over 600,000 views. And that was my video that it's creating basically a cheap setup from an A to Z perspective for setting up your own hydroponic grow. And that's like creating your reservoirs, everything, every little bit of detail goes into that. It's one of my most popular videos. And I have to sit down and just answer a bunch of comments, but one of the questions is in relations to measuring pH levels, and when would you measure and how do you modify the acidity and so forth. So let me explain real quick. All right, what you want to do is this. When you're ready to add your nutrients, by the way, these are the nutrients that I use right here. Okay, the Botanicare. Okay, the grow, the base, and the bloom. I'm going to be putting some of that in just a little bit. And also, I love my Clonex here. Make sure to hit the links down below for all those fun things. But when I put in the nutrients, okay, when I put in the nutrients, I put them into the reservoir. It immediately modifies the pH. So, for example, if this water inside is currently, it could be fairly acidic. Let's say it's like 4 to 5 pH, okay? Once you put in the nutrients, it's going to modify the pH. It can go up or down. It'll probably either stay the same or go down. It's not going to go increase in pH. So what you want to do is, once you've added your nutrients, then you go to, I got this big bottle of pH down, but I got my, pH up. I got my little bottle of pH down. And I got this little thing right here. And once you have that, you're going to use this, your pH reader. Now, Let me see, does this thing, I wanted to change the batteries in this. It does work, but it was acting a little funky for me, so I'm not even gonna play with it right now. But you want to use that pH reader, you want to check out the pH, you want to add your nutrients, then you want to do a pH up and down. This way you could modify the pH level to a more alkaline state, primarily between 6.5 to 7.5. I think you should do well in that, you know, once your water is pH at that level. Okay, it's the same thing. The acidity is the same thing as the body acidity in our own human bodies. Okay, we want to take in water that's more alkaline to then neutralize the pH levels of our body to reduce the acidity, because also when the acidity is extremely low, we could be actually skipping out on certain nutrients that are not able to absorb into our body, into our system. The same thing happens when the water that the root systems are just sitting in, if it's extremely acidic, it will not allow nutrient levels to go into the systems of these beautiful plants to provide them the nutrients that they need to bloom, to flourish. Okay, so that really explains a quick overview of how to maintain your acidity level and pH levels on your reservoir as well as your body. So that's really it, guys. I mean, basically, I don't know when the next time I'm going to make a video. Hopefully it's going to be soon. I've been slacking. I wouldn't say I've been slacking. I kind of maybe been waiting for this moment to show you a little more things that are just a little more evolved. You know, before we started out with little plants like this big. Okay, now we have a beautiful selection of food. Okay, things that we could actually literally chop up and eat up. I love these colors. This is a butter lettuce. I think this is called the red-delicious. Okay, basically like red and delicious. It's beautiful. I mean, look at these colors. When you go over the red a little bit, it actually turns more green. But look at the transparency through that leaf. Look at that stem. Everything is beautiful. Literally. It's gorgeous. I mean, it's... wow. Look at that thing. I like looking at that. That looks beautiful. It almost looks like, I don't even know what... I know what I want to say, but I can't get it out. I don't know the right word for it. But boy, this stuff does look nice. Everything's actually looking super crispy, super clean. I'm super stoked. By the way, I want to just repeat myself one more time, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. Make sure also leave a comment down below. It really helps out the algorithm to make sure that this video is more visible to more viewers around the world, because in times like this, you know, with the whole COVID-19, it's really important to also maintain your own food source. Okay, I will keep repeating this no matter what, no matter what's going on in the world. Okay, if it's amazing or if it's just absolutely crazy as 2020 has been, it's always great to know how to grow your own food. I mean, are you kidding me? This is the most valuable currency. Okay, you can't eat money, but you could sure as hell eat this. Okay, this is okay. I'm not even going to go into it. I'm not even going to go into of equalizing food and money and what's more important. But again, this is free information, and it's important for you guys to learn how to create your own reservoir, what type of tools and instruments that you need to maintain your grow like this, and how simple it is to be able to produce heads of lettuce to feed you and your family. That's a beautiful head of lettuce right there. I'm not even kidding. I wish this was like a logo of mine, just showing what that looks like. That looks awesome. I'm gonna probably put a little, I'm gonna flood these things with some water right now, and then I'm gonna drop some of the bloom, the bloom feed in here, and it's just gonna be crazy. Look how great that looks from here. Let me lower. There we go. A little bit lower there. How wonderful that all looks. By the way, if you guys are new and you haven't seen inside this huge, large grow tent, that's what that looks like right there. It's crazy, right? It's unbelievable. Beautiful. Anyway, guys, I'm going to cut it here. I hope you guys are going to have an amazing weekend, okay? I want you to watch this video. I want you to slam the like button. I want you to share this video. I want you to comment down below. I want you to hit the links down below. Let's go, guys. All right, let's grow indoors, family. Let's do this all together. All right, again, thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Tomorrow's Saturday morning. You're watching this on Saturday morning. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Talk to you guys soon. Stay safe, stay healthy.